Great Depression quiz. Number 1. Herbert Hoover's approach to the Depression economy was based on a belief in rugged individualism, leave no child behind, the golden rule. In calling shantytowns Hoovervilles, people conveyed their trust in Hoover, disgust with Hoover, or patriotism. Number 3, Hoover believed that most of the help for the needy should come from charities, corporations, government. One of the great ironies of the Depression was there were plenty of jobs to go around. Hunger existed in the midst of plenty. Banks actually had plenty of money. FDR's plan for helping people in the Great Depression was called A Great Society, New Frontier, New Deal. Number 6, what was the first major action that Franklin Roosevelt took as president? He nominated Hoover for Secretary of the Treasury. He closed all of the nation's banks and ordered inspections. He established the Civil Works Administration to provide relief. Number 7, during the Great Depression, the Tennessee Valley provided cheap electrical power to a poor region, protected national parks from being destroyed, was a solution to the Dust Bowl as it moved farmers westward. Number 8, President Roosevelt gathered support for the New Deal by writing newspaper articles, offering jobs to people who would support him, fireside chats by the radio. Number 9, which of the following is not considered a cause of the Great Depression? You're looking for the not. The stock market crash, easy availability of credit, invention of the cotton gin. Number 10, part of FDR's plan. This program focused on young male workers who helped build parks and trails. WPA, the Works Progress Administration, the NRA, the National Recovery Administration, or the CCC, Civilian Conservation Corps. Number 11, which best describes the FDIC, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, a program designed to instill confidence in banks by insuring the deposits of bank customers, a program that helped students with tuition for college, a program struck down by the Supreme Court as illegal for letting banks print their own money. Number 12, this program, initiated by FDR, was intended to help older people in retirement, Medicare, Social Security, or the ERA. 13, which of the following was the main objective of the Agricultural Adjustment Act? To increase farm production, to raise prices of farm products, to provide pensions for retired farmers. Which best describes how the New Deal changed our approach to government? The New Deal made us less dependent on government. The New Deal caused us to look to government more often for help in our daily lives. The New Deal caused our government to never engage in deficit spending again. Number 15, the blank reflected Roosevelt's concern for the natural environment, Civil Works Administration, National Youth Administration, Civilian Conservation Corps. Number 16, buying stocks on the chance of a quick profit without considering risks is known as buying on margin, speculation, profit taking. And 17, one long-range effect of the Great Depression was that many people grew to like President Hoover, became risk takers in the stock market, developed habits of saving and thriftiness. When you're finished, hit submit.